Welcome back to Subaru, where I show you how to perform routine maintenance and upgrades to your vehicle. Today, we'll be showing you how to install an Optima YellowTop battery. Let's get started. For today's install, all you'll need is a 12mm wrench. The battery is located on the driver's side next to the fender. With your 12mm wrench, you'll want to remove the negative terminal first, and then the positive. It's optional, but if you want, you can use a wire brush to clean the terminals for better conduction. Place the battery in the engine bay and secure it with the battery tie-down bar. And it looks to be a little low. Let's give it its booster seat. So now let's take our tie-down bar and secure the battery. We want this to hook down right into here. Take a washer, throw it down somewhere. Now let's secure the other side with this tie rod. Battery is tight and secure. When attaching the terminals, ensure that the red connector goes to the positive and the black goes on the negative. If we did this correctly, it should start. And that's how you install a battery. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you found this video useful, give this video a like and subscribe for more Subaru content. See you in the next install. Bye.